What is an anonymous bootable OS and how does it work? Imagine being able to use a computer without leaving any trace of what you've done. That's what an anonymous bootable operating system is all about. It's a special kind of system designed to keep your activities private and hidden. Instead of installing on the computer's hard drive, it runs directly from a USB flash drive or DVD. When you turn on the computer, it boots from this removable media, not the internal storage. This way, the host machine stays untouched, and no files or browsing history are saved on it. When you start an anonymous bootable operating system, it loads the entire system into the computer's memory. This means all the files, programs, and settings are temporarily stored in RAM, which is the computer's short-term memory. Once you shut down, everything in RAM disappears. The system is set up to leave no traces behind, so after shutdown, the host computer looks exactly the same as before. Most of these systems include tools that help protect your privacy. They route all internet traffic through networks like Tor, which anonymizes your online activity by bouncing your connection through multiple servers. This makes it very difficult for anyone to track your location or see what websites you visit. The OS also often has encrypted communication tools, secure browsing features, and file encryption options built right in. The main difference from regular operating systems like Windows or macOS is that anonymous bootable OSes do not save user data by default. They are meant to be temporary, so they don't write anything to the host's internal storage unless you specifically set up persistent storage. This makes them ideal for situations where privacy is a top priority, such as for journalists, activists, or anyone working on sensitive tasks. Creating one involves downloading a system image, which is a complete copy of the OS, and then writing it to a USB drive or DVD using special software. Once you set your computer to boot from that device, you can start using the OS. It will run completely from the removable media, and once you shut down, all activity is erased. This setup can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the image and your familiarity with the process. Typically, these images are around 2 to 4 gigabytes in size, so a USB drive with at least 4 gigabytes of space is recommended. Some advanced users might prefer larger drives for extra tools or persistent storage. The cost of creating such a system can be free if you use open-source options, or a few dollars if you buy pre-made images or specialized software. In short, an anonymous bootable operating system is a privacy-focused tool that runs from removable media, leaves no trace on the host machine, and routes internet traffic through anonymity networks. It's a handy way to browse, communicate, or work securely in high-risk environments or when you want to keep your activities completely private.